Welcome to my home kitchen on the Irish West Coast and just a short stroll from Hazel Mountain Chocolate, my very own factory. Food is my love language, my passion, my playground. But here's the twist. I'm not just serving food, I'm trading it for stories. So make yourself at home because here, every bite comes with a story.
Every Christmas is a chance to create new memories, and today I'm making a trifle tiramisu that I think will become one of them. Trifle is such a traditional festive dessert, and I love it, but I want to give it a little makeover. And this version might be the most memorable Christmas dessert you'll ever make. Today I'm making trifle tiramisu. And trifle is such a traditional Christmas dessert, and I love it, but I also love structure. So this is my way of giving it a little bit more shape. This is such a simple recipe. We're going to use ladyfingers, custard that you can buy, you can make from scratch, some butter, raspberries, raspberry jam, sherry, and some toasted almond flakes. The only difference to a traditional trifle is that we're going to actually make a buttercream using custard and butter, and it's just gonna be so delicious. So let's begin. So we're gonna whip some butter and custard together. I need to whip the butter for about 10 minutes until it turns light, fluffy and white. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. And I'm adding custards in few parts. And that's what custard buttercream is meant to look like. It's soft, it's creamy and dreamy. Next, I'm going to mix some raspberries and jam. Just going to mix it and kind of smush it a little bit. I love adding fresh raspberries to the jam because it just adds sharpness and freshness. Now I'm going to make some soak it. I'm going to use sherry. I love using white dry sherry, water, lemon juice and a little bit of sugar. Just a little taste test. Wow, so good. Now on to the assembly. I'm going to put a little bit of buttercream just on the very bottom of the dish so the ladyfingers don't move. And now I'm soaking them one by one. Next, I'm putting some raspberry jam. And now on to the buttercream. Onto the next layer, we repeat all the steps. And onto the last layer of custard buttercream. Traditionally, you finish off your trifle with lots of whipped cream, and I couldn't skip that step because who doesn't love freshly whipped cream? There's no sugar in it, so it'll be really just that pillowy, fluffy topping, which, I mean, who doesn't love it? I'm being quite generous with it, but I do want to top it off all the way to the edge of the dish. And now just a little bit of decoration. I have toasted almond flakes. Trifle tiramisu is ready. We just need to cool it down for about 2 hours in the fridge. It's great if you can do it the night before, then you don't have to wait at all. Big bonus. And this is the finished trifle tiramisu. I think it looks so stunning, and it's such a great piece of dessert to bring to a party. And it's not just for your festive celebrations, it can be Christmas, it could be New Year's, it could be a Sunday in March, whenever you want. It's such a versatile, beautiful dessert. So I'm gonna go and share it with others. Brian, is it?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. Where are you from, Brian?
Originally from South Africa, Johannesburg, kind of Krugersdorp. It's a suburb of Johannesburg, and moved here 10 years ago, so pretty much a local here. Yeah, I've lost the accent and everything, as you can tell. A lot of people think that I moved by myself, but it was me, my family, and my brother. We all kind of moved just for better kind of opportunities and kind of stuff like that. Yeah. Definitely the weather is something else here, but I mean, I'm kind of used to it now. After like a year or two, it was a bit of a drastic change, but now it's fine. The people are much friendlier, I have to say. The kind of atmosphere, everyone was so welcoming when we first came over here. The landscape is crazy. It's beautiful.
How did you choose the location?
So my mom originally, before we were in South Africa, and she was just looking kind of for jobs just around like UK, Ireland, America, and she found a job in Shannon actually. We moved to Ennis for 6 months, and while we were in Ennis, we actually met someone whose husband was South African, and they kind of said, oh, you should come to this rural place. There's a school there. My kind of sister runs the school. It's a very nice 20-people school, and we were like, yeah, sure, we'll just move kind of close to there, and that's kind of how that happened. Yeah.
Wow, it sounds like, you know, the universe had a helping
hand. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It was all kind of, nothing was planned. It was all on the go. Yeah. I'm still holding on for that one more year. I'm 11 years in South Africa, 10 years in Ireland, so I'm still 1 year more South African than I am Irish. Yeah, but sure, I mean, I love both countries. It's yeah.
What about food? Is there anything that you miss from South Africa, or?
Well, it's funny. I miss kind of how close everything was. Kind of all the kind of takeaway spots, all of the restaurants. They were all so close. I mean, we had a local kind of takeaway place where we would go every single week, and that was like kind of our tradition. A German kind of restaurant place, and all this German meat, kind of German food. It was lovely. So it wasn't South Africa, but it was South African inspired German food. Yeah.
It's hard to get a takeaway in Irish countryside, isn't it? Tell me about Christmas in South Africa, especially about food.
Well, I mean, there's a lot of kind of desserts. There's Cook Sisters, which is kind of like it's an Afrikaans inspired dish. I don't know if it would be exclusive to Christmas. We would only have it at Christmas. It's kind of like a donut, but it's kind of in like a twirl kind of shape. It's really good. And milk tart is the other thing that I deeply miss.
Milk tart. Okay.
I don't even know how they make it. I think it's sugar and milk is kind of the primary ingredients in it, and there's kind of like a crumbly kind of layer around the outside. I could eat a whole kind of pie of that.
Does your mom make it?
My mom does make it here, yeah.
Great.
Once in a while, once in a blue moon, but it's lovely, yeah. Honestly, it's mostly kind of Irish now, like, because I go to my girlfriend's house and all that, and we have Irish food there, yeah. So it's turkey. I actually tried turkey the first time in Ireland, it was nice, yeah. For Christmas, it was good.
And what about trifle? Have you tasted trifle?
No, no.
There you go. This is your chance.
Okay,
there you go.
Can I try it?
Of course, yeah.
That's good with the berries. Is 100%, yeah. The flavor kind of blend of the cream and the berries. It's top notch, 100%.
And how are you going to spend this end of the year in Ireland?
Since we've moved to Ireland, we're not kind of big Christmas celebrators anymore. It's kind of like a low-key thing for us. I'll definitely spend some of it at my girlfriend's house for sure, and they probably will celebrate Christmas more than we do. But yeah, looking forward to the Christmas dinner and Christmas dessert, all of that. Mince pies I'm not too big of a fan of, but
I love mince pies. Maybe you just didn't have the right
recipe. Yeah, I think so. Because I think that I've only tried it, like last year was the first time I tried it, and it was very fruity. But I mean, I guess you kind of expect it to be fruity. I'm sure with a bit of cream it would taste good. When I tasted it, it was just...
That is so Irish. Can we put cream on it?
I mean, I'm sure with cream it would taste good, because when I tried it, it was just by itself, and it was okay. Yeah.